Did you know that 80% of vision problems can be prevented? Our eyes are not only the windows to the soul, but our primary way of perceiving and interacting with the world. Yet prolonged screen time, environmental pollutants, and unhealthy lifestyles are silently wreaking havoc on our vision. But what if nature held the secrets to protect and even improve your eyesight? Today, we're revealing 7 miraculous herbs that could save your vision and enhance your eye health naturally. Plus, we'll show you exactly how to prepare and consume these powerful herbs to maximize their benefits. Stay tuned, because missing out on these tips could mean risking your precious sight. The first herb is bilberry. Bilberry is packed with antioxidants that protect your eyes by neutralizing free radicals, improving night vision, and enhancing overall visual acuity. To consume bilberry, you can make bilberry tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried bilberries in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily. You can also take bilberry supplements if you prefer. Regular consumption of bilberry helps maintain the integrity of ocular tissues and supports proper blood circulation to the eyes. The second herb is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to the eyes and has strong antioxidant properties that protect against oxidative damage. To use ginkgo biloba, you can take it in supplement form. The recommended dosage is usually 120–240 mg per day, but consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. This herb supports the health of the delicate structures within the eyes, potentially reducing the risk of conditions like glaucoma. The third herb is saffron. Saffron's antioxidants support eye health by reducing inflammation and protecting retinal cells from damage. To use saffron, add a few strands to warm milk or water and let it steep for a few minutes before drinking. You can also include saffron in your cooking, like in rice or soup dishes. Regular consumption of saffron may improve visual acuity and sensitivity to light, particularly in individuals with early-stage age-related macular degeneration. The fourth herb is turmeric. Turmeric reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in many eye conditions. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper in a glass of warm milk or water. Drink this mixture daily. You can also add turmeric to your meals for added benefit. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, helps protect against chronic inflammation and supports overall eye health. The fifth herb is rosemary. Rosemary's antioxidants help protect your eyes by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Brew rosemary tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily. Rosemary can also be used as a spice in your cooking. Its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve blood circulation make it a valuable herb for maintaining ocular well-being. The sixth herb is dandelion. Dandelion is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for eye health. Make dandelion tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily. You can also add fresh dandelion greens to salad. Regular consumption of dandelion supports low light and color vision and may help prevent conditions associated with vitamin A deficiency, such as night blindness. The seventh herb is fennel. Fennel seeds are packed with nutrients, including vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. Prepare fennel tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily. You can also chew fennel seeds directly or add them to your meals. Fennel helps neutralize free radicals and supports the function of the retina, contributing to overall eye health and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The eighth herb is eyebright. Eyebright has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe tired and inflamed eyes. To use eyebright, prepare an eyebright tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried eyebright in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and let it cool. You can use this tea as an eye wash or soak a cloth in it and place it over your closed eyes for relief from eye strain and irritation. The ninth herb is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants like catechins that protect the eyes from oxidative damage. To consume green tea, steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes and drink it daily. You can also use cooled green tea bags as a compress for tired eyes. The regular intake of green tea can help reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. The 10th herb is chamomile. Chamomile has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce eye irritation and strain. To use chamomile, prepare chamomile tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily. You can also use cooled chamomile tea bags as a compress for tired and puffy eyes. Chamomile helps relax the eye muscles and reduce inflammation. These 10 herbs can make a big difference in your eye health. Remember to maintain a balanced lifestyle with proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and regular eye checkups. Which herb are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check the products we've linked in the pinned comment below. We are sure they will help in your journey for a better life. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.